Let's do what I call atomic arithmetic or nuclear arithmetic. We're looking at different isotopes and trying to determine their symbol, name, atomic number, protons, Z, number of neutrons, and the mass, or mass number, A. And so we're provided some information with each for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different examples, and we need to fill in the blanks. So the first one, superscript 37, subscript 17, atomic number 17. And so this is chlorine, and the subscript is the atomic number, which is the number of protons. And the superscript, or the A value, is the mass number, which is equal to protons plus neutrons, with them each having a value of 1 AMU. So we said this is chlorine. And note that chlorine has an H in it, and it's one of the particular isotope of chlorine is chlorine 37. So chlorine hyphen 37. It's chlorine because it's got 17 protons, which is its atomic number. It's got a mass of 37. Do a little subtracting, and that gives you 20 neutrons for this particular isotope. Next one is arsenic 71. So this is where you've got to memorize what those atomic symbols mean. And the symbol for arsenic, it's not AR, which is argon, but it's AS. It's got a mass of 71. And arsenic is element number 33. So it's got 33 protons, which is its atomic number. This particular isotope of arsenic has a mass of 71. So ignore that 74.92 that we see on the periodic table. That's the average atomic mass, something that we'll talk about elsewhere. This particular isotope has a mass of 71. So now we do some subtraction to get the number of neutrons. 71 minus 33 is 38. The next one, we're given the number of protons and the number of neutrons. So the number of protons gives us the identity of the element. It's got an atomic number of 50, which has a symbol of Sn, and this is the element 10. The particular isotope that it is comes from the mass number. So we're going to add the number of protons and the number of neutrons. That'll be 122. So this is 10, 122. The next one, we don't have the number of protons given to us, so we've got to figure that out. We need to figure this out because that gives us the identity of the element. So we're going to subtract the number of neutrons from the mass number. So 66 minus 40 gives us 26. Element 26 is iron, and the particular isotope is iron 66. So this is iron 66. And the last one, number of protons, atomic number 9, tells us that's fluorine, and it's fluorine 19 is this particular isotope, atomic number of 9, so fluorine 19 is its name. Note the spelling. It's U before O. It's not fluorine, but it's fluorine. And we need to get the number of neutrons, so 19 minus 9 gives us 10. So that's a little bit about atomic arithmetic.